Okay, everyone, and welcome to the third installment of the affirmation audios. So the theme for this one is going to be ease and authenticity. So if that sounds like a little bit more of this kind of stuff that you want, then you definitely want to listen to this episode. So what I would love for you to do right now is, if you're not already signed up to the challenge, I'm going to leave the link below this. There may also be an ad that runs halfway through this. So if you're not signed up to the current challenge, whatever that may be, you definitely need to, because they are business and life changing. So let's get into the third affirmation audio. So before we get into it, as always, take a few deep breaths as you're listening to me. Okay, so just sit comfortably or walk comfortably, or just relax your shoulders down, release your jaw. Just really take note and take stock of where you're clenching, where you're holding. For me, it's my shoulders, it's my jaw, and actually sometimes I don't even realize I'm doing it. So check in with yourself and just make sure that you're not clenching anywhere. So as always, if you want to just listen to the affirmation audio and just let it wash over you, that's fine. But even better, if you can repeat the phrases along with me or after, either to yourself or out loud, depending on where you are. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, my shop is a warm, welcoming space for my customers. I create an effortless buying experience. I allow customers to fall in love with my work easily. It's easy and natural for my products to sell. I do not chase, I attract. My energy is calm, confident, and magnetic. Selling can feel easy, joyful, and aligned. Every piece of my shop is designed to help, not to push. I create clarity, and clarity leads to conversions. My listings are invitations to transformation, not transactions. I am proud of how I present my work to the world. I trust my customers to make the right decisions for themselves. I gently guide visitors to say yes. Every small improvement in my shop multiplies my results. I create a seamless journey from browsing to buying. I nurture trust with my words, images, and presence. I sell with authenticity, not pressure. I sell by serving, not pushing. My shop is a mirror of the care I put into my products. I celebrate every visitor, every inquiry, every sale. I allow my shop to be a space where customers feel excited to buy. I believe that the right people are finding me now. I am proud of the experience I create for my audience. I am not just building a shop, I'm building a brand. I create emotional connections that last beyond one sale. It's easy for me to improve, iterate, and elevate. I am building a beautiful, functional, and profitable business. My shop is a bridge between my creativity and the people who need it. I let go of any need to convince because my work speaks for itself. I am a confident, authentic seller. I am so proud of what I'm building. I trust in the value of what I offer. And I trust in the value of my shop. Okay, so take a note of how you feel. Don't forget to carry the intentions and the things that you have repeated. They are ingraining themselves into your mind right now, which is great because these are all things that we want to feel. So don't forget to listen to all of the affirmation audios for this challenge. They do work, but you have to put the work in. So again, thank you so much for joining me, and I will catch you all in the next one.